Hi, my name is Ken Wenzel and I work here at Penn Stone as an outside salesman. Today I'd like to talk to you about Isokern, manufacturer of outdoor fireplace units. Isokern makes a unfinished modular masonry fireplace unit. These fireplace units can be built within a matter of hours with the assistance of a second person. What you get in a kit are all the components from the chimney block down. It's usually about 22 to 25 pieces. Isokern offers several series, the Standard, the Magnum, and the Magnum Plus, with various firebox opening sizes. Due to the versatility of the Isokern Fireplace, there are many different options that you have for finishing your fireplace. If you'd like to learn more about Isokern Fireplaces, please stop by Penn Stone and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales staff. Thank you.